Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video I have something really exciting. So I recently received this hair curler from Irresistible Me. So this is a steam automatic hair curler. I've never tried anything like this before, so I was really excited to give it a shot. I'm sure you've already seen these sort of automatic hair curlers. It's everywhere, it's all the rage, but I never tried it before, so I'm really excited. So let's just open up this box and show you what I got inside. So this is the Moonstone steam automatic hair curler from Irresistible Me, and the packaging is really good. And here you have the hair curler. Let me just take it out. So this is how the curler looks. It isn't too heavy, so it's not gonna wear out your arms and you're not gonna get tired, but it doesn't feel flimsy or cheap. The quality seems really good. Oh, one other thing before we get started, like I mentioned before, this is a steam hair curler, so if you want you can add water and it would generate steam, or you could just leave it out and it would still curl your hair. So the steam is kind of optional, so it's up to you. I'm gonna try out the steam option just to see how it works. So it comes with a bottle like this, so it has a nozzle tip, and I already have some water in it, so you need to put some water in this portion here. So let me just show you. So you can just open up this compartment and put water in it. I've already done that. So let me just turn it on and see how it works. So right here at the side there are 4 buttons. So the last one here is the on and off button. So let me just turn it on first. So it's on, and then the next one is for the steam feature. Then you have, I think that's a timer. So yeah, so you can fix how long it's gonna hold in your hair. And then the last one is in which direction you want your curls to go. So it can either go right, left, or it could be alternative. So one would go right, the other one would go left. So let's just have the alternate option for the curls. And I want my hair to be in there for 10 seconds because my hair takes a little time to curl up. So the options are 12, 10 and 8. And I am gonna turn on the steam, so let's just see how that works. And with the power button you can also set the temperature. So right now it's at 450, and the other options are 380 and 410. I think I'm gonna stick to 410 in the middle. So yeah, let's just wait for it to warm out. So I'm not sure if you can see, but the temperature button here is blinking. So when it stops blinking, it means that it's ready to curl. So let's just wait for it to heat up. So it has stopped blinking, and it also just beeps twice to let you know that it has warmed up. It doesn't take that long. It probably takes around a minute or so. So I'm gonna start off with my left side, and let's just take one section of hair and see how it works. Don't take a lot of hair and not even too little, just the right amount. And one thing, always remember, it actually says it right here. So this side needs to be facing your head. So you just put it in there and then you close it and leave the hair. So it automatically sucks in your hair, curls it, and when it beeps you release it, and there you go. You have a nice little curl and you didn't have to do anything. You just hold it and stay still. That's it. So let's take another section. It's actually really fun. There you go. And don't worry, it's not gonna tangle your hair. If there's too much hair or it couldn't curl properly, it would start beeping, so you can release it, and it's not gonna tangle up your hair, so don't worry at all. And like I told you, if you want for the left side, you could press the left button, for the right one. I just have it on the alternate option, so each curl it would do in a different opposite direction. So let's just take a section from this side now. how easy is this? And it's so convenient. You don't have to bother about curling it, wearing gloves and this and that. It just does all the work for you. It's just so easy. You don't even need a mirror. Honestly, I don't have any mirror in front of me. I'm just looking through the viewfinder, and every time I end up having perfect curls. This is just gonna save up so much time. It's insane. If you don't know how to use curling wands or straighteners, you can still use this. It's that easy. Just look at these curls. They're so easy to do. It doesn't even take that long, and you don't really have to do anything. You basically just hold it to your head and wait. That's all. So I'm really pleased with this curler. Thank you so much, Irresistible Me, for sending it my way, and I finally got to try an automatic hair curler, and I am so happy that I did. So if you want to try out an automatic hair curler, or they also have hair straighteners and hair extensions as well. I have previously used their hair extensions. They have tape-in, clip-on, and all sorts of hair extensions and wigs also, I believe. I'm not really sure, but please go check out their website. It's linked below in the description box, and I also have a special discount code for all you guys, which is right here. So use it to save some extra money, and the discount code would also be in the description box below. So this is it for today. Let me know what you thought of this hair curler, and if you've ever tried an automatic hair curler, and what do you think about it? Do you like it from the other usual hair curlers? Which one do you prefer? Let me know down below in the comments. And for the comment of this video, it's right here. Thank you so much for commenting. So I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, then please don't forget to give me a thumbs up and share this video with your friends and family so that I can reach more people. And if you want to see some more videos of mine, then click right here. So until next time, take care and bye bye.